I might feel really emotional. They're absolute exemplars. The stuff that people are doing is absolutely incredible, really, really inspiring, and massively like pushing manufacturing forward. A lot to be proud of. They were fantastic tonight.
You've been through a rigorous judging process, and me and Alison had a good old drive across the UK, didn't we, for this category? Not just Encirc, we'll go on them to them in just a moment, but what do you feel you saw from everyone? There was a real good mix this year, wasn't there?
Yeah, so I think really committed, passionate, knowledgeable people. That was like the key bit for me. The systems and the processes that are underpinning what they're doing, and an absolute relentless commitment to what they want to do. So being absolute no doubt that sustainability is on everybody's agenda, and they're all very, very serious about it. Amazing.
In your mind, what set Encirc aside as winners?
So when we walked through the factory...
Hell of a factory, by the way.
Oh God, yeah, amazing. When we walked through the factory, the guys were on the floor, were saying hello to the sustainability manager.
Sorry guys, we're doing an interview, sorry. Keep going.
Right, I did not know the glass bottle blowing was like that. I didn't know it was clean as it was. The guys were all speaking to the leaders and the sustainability manager. They were like, hello, how are you? We stopped to say hello to everyone. They all knew who he was. They were having a little huddle in a room, so I snuck in there and shut the door and was like, what's it really like here? And they loved it. They were really amazing team, getting on with their huddles, continuous improvement all over the walls. So I think it was like the cultural piece. I could feel the commitment throughout the factory, and that's kind of what set it apart for me. Yeah, they were great, well deserved, and I'm so glad that they got the recognition for everything they're doing.